Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I want to show you how we can also use the Pinbar strategy to scalp boom 1000 without fear of spikes. How we can scalp boom 1000 index without fear of spikes, guys. So first of all, in this particular strategy I want to start from the daily time frame to mark out some zones which you will be looking at to place the trade. So I go to the daily time frame. Alright, on the daily time frame, what we're going to be looking at for are areas of support and resistance, and basically we'll be looking for areas that are close to the current price. As you can see on this chart, let me bring this down. We have the current price around this zone here. That's where we have the current price. So, and since we won't be waiting for the market to do all the formations, I'll just be backtesting what has already happened in the market. But clearly we can see that there is a zone here. Okay, there's a zone here in the market around this place in the market. We are on the 1 minute and the daily time frame, so that's a very big zone in the market. So we can easily place a horizontal line at that point here. That is a zone, that's a support. Why do we call that a support? We call that a support because, as you can see, if we zoom in, let me try to zoom in, guys. Let me try to zoom in. You can see after the price market got to this place, it went up and returned. You see, it formed this pin bar here. Then you see market hit this place again. It couldn't go through below this particular place for two days, meaning for 2 good days market was unable to go below this place. So this is a support zone here, guys, which we'll be looking out for when we are going down to the lower time frame to trade, so that once price gets to this point, we expect the market to spike up again. Once price gets to this level, we expect spikes to come in again, or if it breaks through, then retest this zone, we expect the market to sell. So you can scalp as long as you want. All right, so we are not going to consider that. Let's look out for the ones that I played out before previously. All right, so let me delete this. I have to zoom out so I can see these structures clearly. All right, so where should I even start? Let me just use this one right here. Okay, so now you can see we have something like this. You see here, there were a series of reactions here, and these candlesticks represent the activities that happen in a day. So far, but so many days, market couldn't easily pass this place. This was a very strong resistance zone. The same thing happened. The market was ranging on a daily time frame right at this point. You see, then it broke. Then you see what is happening here. So the of this zone is a very strong. This is a very strong zone, guys. This is a very strong zone, and you see what we have is a reaction to what happened here, guys. And you can see, so we can easily draw a horizontal. We use the rectangle tool to draw something like this. So we can have something like this, guys. Now, from the drawing, you can see that market hit this zone several times and reversed, then later broke out. Even when it broke out, it came back down. You see, there was nothing to confirm that the market will continue going up. There was not like a bullish engulfing, or above this zone. There was no bullish engulfing. There was no whether inverted hammer they call it. I'm not interested in the names. What I need is just identify the pattern and you trade, guys. So there was nothing to show to tell us, okay, this market was going to go bullish. You see, for those days, number of days these candlesticks represent, the market was still indicating a strong sell. So it sold again. This is a strong bearish engulfing candlestick here. Look at, after this strong bearish engulfing candlestick, you see the market was selling for days. It was selling for days till it got to this level. Now, when market got back to this level, you see what happened? To this same level, it sold again. retested this same level again, but this time it broke out, then sold. When it sold and got to this level, it broke a little, then went up again with a very strong bullish engulfing, indicating that the market is going up. Guys, this thing is very simple. Honestly, it's very simple. All you need is just to practice and practice and practice. You get used to it. So after marking out this zone on the daily time frame, we do not leave it there. We go down to the lower time frame till we get to where we can enter the market safely. And I want you to understand that how long you want to scalp the market depends on the time frame you use to analyze it. Because if you're analyzing this market on the daily time frame, then when the market got to this place, okay, let's say here, when you want to see this bearish engulfing candlestick pattern right here, where is it? Okay, right here, once you see this bearish engulfing candlestick, this is on a daily time frame, then you know that the rest of the following day is going to be bearish. It's a very strong indication that the following day is going to be bearish, guys. So you see, the only thing it did was it went up a little, reacted to this week here, then it started selling. Since then it sold for how many days? About 3 days, you see. So before it started ranging here, so you can see, if you want to scalp for a very long time, then you need to analyze the market on a higher time frame. Then you have to be careful with your entry, because it's not, if you had, let's say you saw this bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, then you enter the market to trade. Once it entered the next day, you placed a trade. Guys, this is the daily time frame. You don't know how many 1 minute candlesticks this week covers. This might be up to 4 hours. This one is, so you see, to wipe all your accounts, so you need to wait. The entry is also very important. That's why I want to really teach. I want to teach. I don't want to lecture. I want to teach on that bootcamp which we are going to have on Sunday, 12th November 2023. The entry is very important, guys. So if you're able to enter the market, once you notice this bearish engulfing, then you enter the market properly, guys, you make so much money in the market. You make so much money, guys. So meanwhile, let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what happens. On the 4-hour time frame, where is it marked? Okay, let me zoom in a little. All right, so you can see, where is that particular spot we marked? I think, okay, this is it. You can see it. All right, so you see this where the bearish engulfing candlestick happened. You see, so you see it sold down. Imagine this is 4-hour time frame, and all these 4-hour candles up to here, you will make so much money. So the entry is very, very important, guys. The entry is important. So just once you're able to mark out the zone, you go down to a lower time frame. We're not considering higher time frames today. Let's look at the lower time frame. A lower time frame which will easily place our trades, because we do not have big money. It is those that have large money on the accounts that easily go into trade right on the higher time frame. If you have up to maybe $1,000, $500 in your account, you can go in to do that. But meanwhile, let's go to, there's something I'm trying to this point. Look at, you see where this market reacted. See this line we drew, this is the second place the market reacted. Now at this point, let's see what happened there, what caused the market to reverse. Because after marking out this zone right from here, and you extend it down, now you are expecting market to react once it gets to this place. So there must be some sort of confirmation or something that will tell you, hey, it's time to enter the market and make some money. So now what is it? So let's zoom in and see what actually would have told us to enter the market at that time. Now guys, look at this. What do we have here? This is the pin bar, guys. This is the pin bar right at the resistance zone. Market tried to force itself up, then it came down. First of all, tried to sell, then it came up and gave this little body and a very long wick down. That's the first indication. Then the next one is the market sold and tried to push up, it couldn't. It pushed up a little, then still sold. So personally, I would want to enter the market at this point. Immediately I see the close of this candle that has a very long wick down. Once it closes at this point, I would want to enter the market immediately. Then I've set my stop loss a little above it. But this is the 4 hourly time frame. But I would want to do that when I go down to a lower time frame. This is very, if you see this, if this is the last candle that is forming on the 4 hour time frame and you are just there seeing it, guys, you run down to a lower time frame to find a good entry. So in this case, you see it's sold. You will sell here without fear of spikes. It's sold and the target will be this low. Mind you, this is a low here. This is a recent low. I would want to target here. I would want this is a recent low, and this is a low here also. So I want to target here. If I can scalp for 4 hours, that is good money, guys. It's good money, some good profit. You see. So even when price market left that place, you see, after selling, then it tried to go up again. Let's just follow it. I want to show you something, guys. You see what happened? It broke again here, retested here, went up, broke down, then gave this, but I did not sell. Then it broke up again. You see, so what we just need is just either we find a bearish engulfing candlestick, and the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern must happen below the zone. But if you have a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, it must happen above the zone before you go into trade, guys. Like what we are having, you can see this is a bullish engulfing candlestick, because this one, the red candle is small and the green candle is huge. It's very big. So we can call this a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. The body is right above the zone, telling us that the market will be going bullish. Now, for this one, this is a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, but it's happening right on the support, because this has turned support for it. This is a resistance zone for the candlesticks that are down, but here now it is support for it. So you cannot just go into the market just like that and be safe, except for the fact that this is a higher time frame. If you run to a much lower time frame, then you can just scalp maybe 20 minutes candle or even 1 hour, and then you run out of the market. But it's very risky, guys. It's risky. So to avoid any form of to avoid risk that will make us lose money, so we just avoid them, guys. So that is just it. And you can see, since this market has been reacting at this place, this a kind of a zone now. If you join it with a line, it will become a trend line, and you see why market was reversing here. Market reversed here, went up again, reversed. See, went up again, reversed. All this. So we just need to follow what market is doing. We just follow it, guys. We just follow it. This Pinbar strategy really works. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Where is the 15 minutes time? Okay. Now on the 15 minutes time frame, guys, look at something here, guys. You see, let me show you something right here. Let me not draw this one first. Let me just point out what I want us to see. Where is that arrowed line? Okay. Now, guys, look at this. See this place? Market. Okay, market came here after getting to this place. It sold down here, then bought, got to this place, it sold down. You see, it was creating lower lows and lower highs, confirming that the market is in a downtrend. From here, the market was selling. It was in a downtrend, selling and selling and selling and selling. So now, once you notice the market is in a downtrend, what you look for is just this thing. How do we call it? The pin bar. You look for it. Once you find it, and it is why this one is happening here. Let me tell you. Let me show you one secret, guys. You see this point in the market. Let me zoom in a little. If you put a line here, you'll see that this is a support. This is a support zone here, and it became resistance to this particular candle here. This is support zone that has turned resistance. That's why when the price got to this place, market got to this place, the market reversed at this point, giving us this pin back candlesticks to tell us that the market will continue selling. You see, and this is another zone here, guys. You see, this is the point market started going up. It formed another support also. So if you want to trace it, that is why when market got to this place it sold, because it hit on the support of this, which became resistance to it. You see this green candlestick, it reversed on getting to this zone here because of the support, this support that turned resistance to it, and it started selling again. I don't even understand what I'm trying to say, guys. So just always be looking at these things. See, a mere sitting down to study the chart for a whole day, maybe, let me not say a whole day, just be studying charts, you will discover some of these things. You will not need to be told. Just be wondering why things are happening, see things that are repeating themselves, because these things are patterns. Nobody can predict the market except using the patterns the market has been creating over and over. Every day the same thing is happening in the market. Every day it's the same thing that's always happening, guys. It's only that some of us, we are not patient enough to learn, to study these things. That's why it looks as if we are not making money. Some people are not making money trading, guys. So as you can see, when market got to this place, started selling, got up to this level, it bought again, got to this level. This level here is a reaction to this particular place here also, guys. You see, look at all these ones. I think I saw that pin bar some. Okay, look at here. Now look at this one. This is a zone here. This one here is a reaction to what, to this particular place also, and to this place, while this one here is another high here, and this one here is a reaction to what is happening here. So you can just join them with, let's look for something to join them together. Let me show you something, guys. Okay, okay, so you see, and there's another one on top. Let me duplicate this. So you can see, this, guys. This was a high at this point. The market came here, reacted here, came down. So on getting to this point, and it gave this pin bar. Looking to your left, you saw this way market reversed previously, guys. You sell. You see this another one, pin bar here. This way market reversed previously, you sell. How many candles? Even it is 2 or 3, 45 candlesticks for 3 and 30 candlesticks for 2, and you are done. So whenever you see a pin bar, look to the left and see if there was a reversal previously around that same level, and if you find it, try to enter the market and put your stop loss just above it. Ensure the market is in the downtrend if you are trading for trading boom, and the market must be in an uptrend if you are trading crash, guys. This strategy really works, guys. I need you to practice them. And mind you, the bootcamp will commence tomorrow, will start tomorrow. And if you have not yet subscribe to the bootcamp, look for a way and try and make sure you are available, because I am going to unleash whatever I understand, and I bet you it's going to be one of its kind, guys. I don't know how to explain these things to you guys, but I promise you, $25 for the training is too small compared to what you are going to get. And mind you, this same $25 you are going to pay, you get it back before the end of the training. The training is 5 days intensive one. We are going What we're going to do is just to master a strategy. I want to show you how we can master just one strategy and use that strategy to make money. You use that strategy to recover your money, the money you'll be paying for the training, and also we'll also use the same strategy to go on a challenge, $50 to $400 challenge in 14 days. That's what we're going to do, guys. So you're not going to lose anything. It is going to be more of an over the shoulder coaching, because I'll be there, we'll be doing it live. You have time to ask questions and I'll be replying. We'll be doing it live for the 5 days, guys. It's one of its kind. I don't want to sell a course, because if I sell a course, I won't be available to be responding to your queries or your concerns. So I want to do this in a training so that I will be interacting one-on-one, and before the end of the training, you might achieve something great for your life. And before the end of this year, you can still make over thousands of dollars, depending on your account size and how you want to trade. Because this strategy I'm going to show you guys is going to work. It's very good. It's a perfect strategy. You just master it and you are done, guys. Just master it. But let me tell you, lest you may be confused, whatever you're going to get from this strategy, I am not guaranteeing that you're making thousands of dollars. I am not guaranteeing that once you start, you're making millions of dollars and be posting pictures all over the internet. No. What I'm guaranteeing you is that if you stick to this strategy which we are going to practice and stick to the rules and conditions, you will be profitable. Profitable, even if you have some little losses, your wins will be far more than your losses. And at the end of the day, you'll be a master of your own strategy and you'll be trading freely without stress. So guys, I wouldn't want you to waste time. Go to the link in the description of this video. Go to the Telegram, the wait list, make your payment and send a screenshot. Follow the instructions there, guys. And I bet you will not regret visiting this video today. So guys, let's leave it at that, and we'll see you guys in the next video. And for those that will be fortunate enough to be in the training, see you in the training, and have a wonderful day, guys.